2022 has been a tough year for stock price forecasting, but there is a key seasonal trend that is starting right now in March, and in this video I'm going to explain what it is. Stay tuned. On the screen you can see the S&P 500. We have the typical price pattern over the past 2 decades in blue, and we have the current year's price pattern in red. And you can see both of these show the potential for a bottom somewhere in the middle of March. Now this year so far, the price pattern has been occurring earlier and it has been occurring faster. But if we see this price bottom, which would match the seasonal trend, we can expect to see stronger markets all the way to the end of April when we have the sell-in May phenomenon. Now, I'm showing you another chart here. This is still the S&P 500, but this shows you what is happening. You can see we have had a much weaker trend than normal. And you can see typically we'd expect to see strength. So it is not clear how this seasonal strength is going to play out this year, but over the next 6 weeks we should expect some tailwinds from the seasonal patterns. Now there's another chart on here showing the QQQ, and you can see a similar thing. This year's seasonal patterns have matched up fairly well. The QQQ is a bit messier, but typically we expect stronger gains than the S&P 500 over the long term. But again, we see the potential, and I'm stressing here the potential for a bottom and some seasonal strength to push us along for the next 6 weeks. Now, in case you're wondering where these charts are from, I'm showing you here the Trading4 members area. These charts are available to Trading4 members. They are updated throughout the trading day, and you can use them however you like. We've actually included these charts in a Trading4 backtest members model, and the results are available for Trading4 members. So if you would like more information about seasonal patterns, and in particular about backtesting your trading strategies, please go to tradinginformed.com.